what if I told you a free open source AI model is now outsmarting the giants? Google, Microsoft, even OpenAI. Sounds impossible, right? But it's happening right now. And the craziest part? You can use it for free. Today, we're diving into how this underdog AI is shaking up the entire industry and what it means for the future of tech and for you. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know whether this AI is the biggest opportunity or the biggest threat you've ever seen.
For years, the AI race has been dominated by Silicon Valley. OpenAI dropped ChatGPT, Google responded with Bard, Microsoft went all in with Copilot. Billions of dollars, armies of engineers, and insane amounts of data went into building these models. But here's the twist. Despite all that power, a new open source model is starting to outshine them.
The model I'm talking about is DeepSeek R1. Unlike Google's or OpenAI's closed models, this one is free to download, run, and even modify. Imagine having your own personal ChatGPT or Bard without paying a dime, without restrictions, and without waiting for permission. But how can something free compete with billion-dollar AI labs? The answer will surprise you.
Performance matches or even outperforms GPT-4 on certain benchmarks. Customization, developers can fine-tune it for their specific needs. Freedom, no corporate gatekeeping. Community, thousands of developers worldwide improving it daily. Think of it like this. OpenAI is like Apple, slick, powerful, but locked down. Open source AI, it's Android on steroids. Everyone can hack it, improve it, and scale it.
Big tech is watching closely. And let's just say they're nervous. Microsoft is pouring billions into OpenAI. Google is fighting tooth and nail to keep Bard relevant. And yet, developers are flocking to these free models, building startups, apps, and tools that rival corporate products. By the way, if you're enjoying this breakdown, hit subscribe to ByteFrontier right now. That way, you won't miss future deep dives into the wild world of AI.
Startups building customer service bots. Solo devs making AI assistants. Researchers running models on laptops. Something impossible with GPT-4. One developer even built a mini version of ChatGPT that runs locally, offline. No internet, no tracking, no subscription. Just pure AI power in your pocket.
So, what does this mean for you? If you're a developer, it means freedom. If you're a business owner, it means you don't need to pay thousands in API fees. If you're a regular user, it means the best AI might soon be free, open, and completely customizable. But here's the kicker. Could this free AI actually kill companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft? Or will the giants crush it before it takes over?
The truth is, we're at a turning point. On one side, billion-dollar corporations want to keep AI locked up and monetized. On the other side, the open source movement is saying AI belongs to everyone. The battle between these two worlds will shape how you use AI in the future. Will it be free and open, or paid and restricted?
So here's the question. Do you think open source AI will win, or will big tech shut it down? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let me know where you're watching from. I love seeing our global ByteFrontier community come alive in the comments section. If you found this video eye-opening, smash that like button, share it with a friend who loves tech, and of course, subscribe to ByteFrontier for more deep dives into AI, coding, and the future of technology. Because trust me, the next wave of AI is going to be even crazier. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.